I was sitting at home like everybody else watching the chaos in our town, and there was a news story. They were in Island Park area, and an older lady in a mobile home park had lost everything. And the very last thing she said was, I don't have clean clothes, and I have no way to go clean my clothes. I thought, well, I have the resources. I had this food trailer that we had previously gutted to rebuild as a food trailer. I have water tanks, water heaters, I've got propane tanks. All I was missing was washers, dryers, and plumbing. So I reached out to the plumber next door, Next Plumbing, and he said, bring your truck over. They plumbed the whole truck. And then I made a post on Facebook and reached out to our followers and friends and patrons, and they stepped up with a washer and a dryer. Reached out to Good Deals Appliances, and he donated a washer for me. And then it just kind of snowballed from there.